Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world. You're on YouTube Tech channel. Hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're gonna talk about Oppo Reno. Let's have a look. A video of a phone purporting to be a Oppo new Reno has appeared on the Chinese social media site Weibo. The footage show a typical Android phone at first, with the user tapping the screen to turn on the front-facing camera. But instead of a camera popping up at the straight angles like we have seen before on Chinese phone, the Reno cameras appear to come out of the triangle element that hangs up on the side. As one of the top phone makers in China, Oppo makes some of the most compelling looking phones with innovative technology outside of the US. Its Oppo Find X from 2018, for example, featuring a glowing screen for notification, 3D facial scanning and pop-up camera as well. Oppo also shared the same parents company BBK Electronics as Vivo and OnePlus, with a handful of a latest phone touting a similar looks as Oppo phones. Pop-up selfie cameras are novel, but they are not exactly new. In addition to the Find X, the Vivo Nex and the Vivo V15 Pro have it. And the upcoming OnePlus 7 is rumored to feature it as well. It's no coincidence that all of these phones come from companies under the umbrella of BBK Electronics. It is the first we have seen with this particular design. It looks much sturdier than, say, the small camera that rise up from the Vivo Nex, but it also looks as if it takes a lot of space internally. One final addition seems to have not just one but two front-facing cameras, both popping up from different places on the device. This smartphone will likely be revealed sometime in mid-April. We will then see the device out for sale in at least China, maybe elsewhere in the world, in the weeks after the inevitable reveals events proceeding. So we discuss about the specification of Oppo Reno. Will Super AMOLED touchscreen with 6.4-inch display and the resolution of 1080 multiplied through 340 pixels and 19.59 ratio and Android 9.0 Pie, Qualcomm SDM710 Snapdragon 710 with Octa-core, 2 multiplied 2.2 GHz Kryo 360 gold and 6 multiplied 1.7 GHz Kryo 360 silver. The microSD card up to 256 GB 8 GB RAM or 128 GB 6 GB RAM. As far as the non-removable battery, 4000 mAh, and the color is also available are black, green, purple and pink. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a fresh news regarding upcoming Oppo Reno. I hope you like this video. Please tell us in the comments below that how do you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel, My Technological World, and peace out. Take care. Bye bye.